This is a series of videos talking about the core skills behind the Sell It Great system and how they produce more confident presenters. And today, I want to talk about delivery, which I think is one of the most misunderstood skills. This is the difference between public speaking and presenting. I see so many people who believe that when they are giving a pitch, what they are supposed to do is to stand there as though they've been giving a lecture and a microphone and a spotlight and just pontificate about everything that they can possibly think of on this topic for all but the last 5 minutes of a meeting. And if you're ever wondering why at the end of a pitch your client goes, "Yeah, that's great. I wanted to ask just a couple of things. On slide 2, you had the logo look too big to me. Slide 3, I didn't like the headline. On slide 47, that seemed really expensive, and I don't know if that's our brand. I didn't understand slide 49. And you sat there during that entire list going, "Can't you just tell me you like the work first?" Well, the reason that happened is because you treated it like a public speaking exercise instead of a presentation. See, if you had allowed them to interact with you during the pitch, all of those concerns would have come up in the moment, and you would feel way more confident as a presenter because the result is that you know what your client is thinking as you're sharing ideas. When you force them to hold everything until the end, you are forcing yourself to guess that things are going well. You start to get in your own head, and that is a serious erosion factor for confidence. By the way, if you're the creative director who says, "And please, we want this to be a conversation, so stop me at any point, but I'm going to continue talking like this so you don't really have a chance to stop me at any point. My body language is totally not inviting you to ask questions, and this deck was not set up at all to have any pauses in it, so please, you're just going to have to wait no matter what I say," you're part of the problem. Stop doing that.